Hello, my friends. And welcome to our kitchen. Today we are going to cook a quick and delicious chicken pasta. And the best thing, it's ready less than 30 minutes. This recipe is perfect for a busy day, packed with juicy chicken, tender pasta, and a creamy, flavorful sauce. Believe me, if you try this recipe for dinner, you will cook it again and again because it is so delicious and easy to make. Let's start by boiling the pasta in a salted water according to the package instruction. When it's fully cooked, drain it and leave it aside. To prepare the chicken sauce, in a large pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then add 1 large chopped onion. Let the onion cook till become soft, and then you can add 2.25 pounds of chicken thigh. You can also use chicken breast. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Add half teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt to taste. Let the chicken cook for about 5 minutes. Then add 1 can of small cut tomatoes. But if you have fresh tomatoes, you can cut 2 large tomatoes and add them. Then cover it and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. cover and stir for a minute. Then add half cup of chopped yellow pepper, but you can use any kind of pepper you have, or you can use a mixture of green, yellow, and red pepper. Add 4 cloves of minced garlic. Stir occasionally until it cooks through. Toss in the drained pasta to the chicken sauce. Mix the pasta with the chicken sauce and stir it to combine all the ingredients together. And my apology, I added 1 cup of whipping cream and I forgot to turn the camera on. So add 1 cup of whipping cream and then add 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. Stir in the Parmesan cheese until it melts. Look at the pasta with the chicken. It looks amazing, and the aroma, oh, it smells so good. Look at it, it's so creamy and flavorful. And it looks amazing and it tastes so delicious. Sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on the top. And then garnish with parsley. This dish is so delicious and comforting. The sauce is creamy and flavorful, and the chicken is so tender. If you are a cheese lover, you can add 1 cup of mozzarella cheese on top. And then put it in the oven at 375 degrees centigrade for about 3 to 5 minutes until the cheese melts. It's ready now, cheesy, creamy, and tasty. And the best thing is quick and easy to make. And I just want to say thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing. I really appreciate you, my friends. Enjoy!